Today, I'm going to teach you how to add custom code to your Wix website using pixels, code snippets, and custom HTML. This is incredibly useful if you want to integrate third-party tools, tracking pixels, or custom widgets that aren't available in Wix's standard app marketplace. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website and logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, and from those options, click on Website. This takes you into the specific settings for your website, rather than any mobile app configurations you might have. Now you'll see a preview of the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure that this is indeed the website you want to add pixels, code snippets, and custom HTML to. It's always good to double-check, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. You don't want to accidentally modify the wrong site. Once you've confirmed you're working on the correct website, locate the Design Site button at the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it pretty easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed. This step takes you into the editing environment where you can make changes to your site's design and functionality. After clicking Design Site, you'll be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is the main workspace where all the magic happens. From here, start by locating the Add Elements button on the left navigation menu. Click on it, and an expanded menu will appear with various options for adding different types of content and features to your site. From the expanded menu, scroll down until you find the Embed Code section and click on it. This section is specifically designed for adding custom code to your site. Within this area, locate the Custom section where you'll see popular embeds. From here, you have two main options to choose from. The first option is Embed HTML, which allows you to add widgets and apps to your site using an HTML code. The second option is Custom Element, which lets you display a custom element on your site. Simply click on the plus button next to the option you want to use. Once you click the plus button, a code editor will appear on your screen. This is where you'll paste your HTML code for your widget, apps, or snippets. Simply paste the code into the editor and then click Apply. The code will now be embedded into your website, and your custom element or tracking pixel will be active. And that's it, you've successfully added custom code to your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.